Yeah, well, it will be sure a very tough game, no, against Jamshedpur. We haven't been able to defeat them, to win them in ISL, and I think they wanna win, no, that game also. So it will be a good game for both teams.
FC Goa now having lost the ISL final, how much of a consolation could be the title at the Super Cup?
Yeah, for us, for the players, for the staff, for the club, this tournament is very important, no? Because we want to forget, no, the feeling of losing the ICL final, and we are focused on that, no? I think if we win this trophy, the season has been very good for all of us, so we will try to do this.
Carlos, it has been your first season, and now it's the time of the season when FC Goa would look to extend that tie-up with their players. How do you feel about your football at FC Goa, and what would be your decision?
Well, I think the season has been good for the team, for FC Goa, and for me also. No, I have played a lot of games. I have feel my importance in the team, and well, now it's moment to sit, to negotiate, and to try to have a deal for the next season.